It's been a little bit since I did a video for all my DR650 fans out there, but I have now 8,700 miles on this bike. I bought this last year. I got it on the road April 18th, and it's a common problem, but down right here, this gasket cracked. It was sliced here and here, and I had a little oil leak. And it's a simple part here. I got the new one in, but yeah, this little $3 part is what was causing that leak. It's just a pain in the butt to get to. As you can see, I got the gas tank off. Got that underneath here. I took the header off. You got to remove the oil line here. So your 17 mil banjo bolt and your 12 mil down at the bottom. You got two washers, copper and then stainless steel down here. Don't lose them. Move that to the side. And I took the starter motor mount that goes on your clutch cable all the way so you can get to it. There's videos out there where guys keep the header pipe in that and leave the gas tank on, but I don't have a 17 mil wrench. I just have a socket, so I couldn't get it underneath there. And for me, I just get frustrated easy. So I said, what's the best thing I can do to not be frustrated? And I just took the whole bike apart. Not only that, to be safe, I did, since I almost got 9,000 miles on this bike, I wanted to check my valve clearances anyway, to see if they were in spec. So I did, and to be safe, you know, there's videos out there where guys don't go top dead center on the compression stroke to remove your cam chain tensioner, but I did anyway because, like I say, I had to check my valve clearances. Them are good. So I got that out of the way, and then I'm starting to get the rooster crowing noise on my starter cap. So I could finish this job now, but I'm waiting on that starter cap from Warp 9, and that way I don't have to go in here again. So I am starting to get that rooster crow once in a while out of my starter, so I'm going to nail that out right away. While I'm in here, you know, why not? So that's an update on that. And on my DGV2 exhaust, I had the spark arrestor, the netting like cracked in half, and I blew the screen like right out. So I'm waiting on, you can see I already got the cap ready to come off. So I got my spark arrestor coming in, and that will be it. So you guys, when you remove this cam chain tensioner, the instructions say you should take this bolt off the bat, take that flathead screwdriver, and turn it all the way to the right. That brings this in, it locks it. And then that's how you're supposed to take this out. But I've seen like almost every video, they don't take this cap off the end here first. They just unscrew it. But definitely before you put this in, take this bolt off. Okay. Turn it to the right, lock it then this is before you're putting it in. Okay, and once you get it in there and screw these Allen bolts down, then you put that flathead screwdriver in there again, turn it to the left, and it releases the tensioner here. And also, this is the top. So it goes in like this with the thick end, this space here. Top, and then with the line at the bottom, that goes in the bottom. So, yeah, that's about it. I did have, I had a leaky fork seal also. But all I did, it wasn't blown. I just took the boot off here and I cleaned all around it, and it was just a dirt issue. And I made a makeshift seal mate. And I got down in there and so far that's done the job. But just in case, I did get the tools for that. I got fork seal bullet. I got new fork seals from All Balls, and then the seal driver here from Tusk, along with this handy dandy Tusk tool for your damping rod and the fork oil. So I'm all set to go. Got a big trip coming up, so if this seal gives me an issue again, I can't afford to have it down in the shop, so I'll just take this fork out myself and put a new seal in. So yeah, all you guys with the DR650s, keep an eye on this gasket. And I was fortunate enough, my bike's, like I say, just a little over a year old now. I only had to clean really good, like around here. Otherwise, for the most part, I was able to peel the seal off. But some guys are saying that's like the hardest part of the job, which I believe it, because I took like a little knife and scraped it off here, because it gets baked on. But you'll notice when you have this leak, you know, it's not your base gasket here or anything like that. You'll see oil start piling up here, down in here. You'll get it in front of your fins, sometimes even back here. So, not a bad job, but it just takes a little time.